wonderful roof was finished, the first thing when we looked at it from outside was that looks as though it's been on this house forever.
We spend a lot of money and time trying to get our old glass sunroof to actually behave in a way that it didn't get too hot, but it never worked. But now we have this new insulated roof and it's been a complete success.
When the workmen came to take down the old roof, it was down within a day. We couldn't believe it. The speed at which the rest of the construction went up surprised us, and we were so fascinated by the exact fit of the different components of the roof, and we feel absolutely confident that there's no constant work picking up the problems with it. There are no problems, just the enjoyment.
This roof doesn't leak at all, it's completely watertight, and the way it's been built, it looks as though it'll stay watertight for a long, long time. We know that with global warming we can expect more rain, we can expect stronger winds, and as this has been postcode engineered, it's been designed to withstand all of those things, and that gives us great peace of mind.
We've never been too hot in here, which previously was always the case, and we've got rid of the winter time when it was too cold in here. So all in all, we knew at the end of it all that what we had was not just a roof that looked good, but a roof that would work for us.
We feel as though we have a very secure roof system over us here. It's just superb.